Hi guys, welcome back to week 2 of Geology 1101, the lab portion of this course. I'm going to go through and explore the different things you'll be doing within this course. Hopefully most of you all found the upload to be pretty easy last week to PDF because you'll be doing something very similar this week. From here on out, your syllabus will be located on this tab over here. In case you need to go through and look at it or have any questions, let's go ahead and explore this week's module. If I come down here and click on Weekly Lab Module, we are in week number 2. We will be taking a look at Earth's spheres, and it correlates to Chapter 2 within the textbook. This week you're going to be creating a concept sketch. You'll be doing similar sketches throughout the semester, where you'll be illustrating different processes and connections dealing with Earth's systems. For this particular module, you do need to have Adobe, and you do need to have Cam Scanner downloaded to your phone. It is a free app, and the process of getting it and how to use it is explained at the very end of this module, and I'll get to that in just a moment. To get to the actual instructions, I'm going to come up here and click this little tab. I'm asking you to watch and take notes over the next 2 videos on the next page. You do not have a lab manual, so this is incredibly important so that you can get the different concepts that you need to be successful on your first sketch. As you're watching the videos, I'm asking you to stop, take notes, add to your sketch, write down any questions you may have so that you can complete other research that you may need to make your sketch as complete as possible. The 2 videos that are here, the first one is a generic Earth's systems one that simply ties in all of Earth's different systems that you'll have to illustrate within your sketch. And then within the sketch, you're going to have to illustrate how the carbon molecule moves within those different systems of the Earth. So you'll need to watch both of them so that you'll have some information needed to make your sketch. The actual instructions are found on this page. I wrote, you will be creating a sketch. Yes, you are drawing. I'm not expecting Picasso. I'm not expecting it to be colored, but I should be able to clearly see what you were trying to illustrate. You're going to illustrate how a carbon molecule moves through the Earth's spheres. I put, remember from previous classes that carbon atoms combine to make up molecules in biotic and abiotic components of Earth's spheres. Again, if you don't remember that, the video does briefly touch on that, but you may have to watch other videos if you don't quite remember all the ins and outs of that. Your job is to trace a carbon atom through different Earth spheres and note how it changes along the way. Again, you may have to research more on your own if the 2 videos do not give you ample information to make your sketch. There is a rubric attached that I'll be going over in just a moment that I'll be using to grade your particular sketch. At the bottom of this page, I did give you a sample of what your sketch may look like. This is an incredibly simplistic one. I do expect yours to be more in-depth. This is just an example of what one may look like, so you have some idea of what the final product will look like. It is not necessary for you to color it. Again, this is just a simplistic rendition of the carbon cycle moving, for example, here from the biosphere into the geosphere, into the atmosphere. As soon as you're done with that, you're going to come over here and submit your lab on this particular page. This is where the rubric is attached. It's worth a total of 100 points. If you're not sure how to use Cam Scanner to change it to a PDF, that information is right here. Again, I am reminding you that you need to click and submit where it says Write Submission. Do not click down in the comments section. The actual rubric is located up at the top here. You can click on here, View Rubric. This is how you will be graded. There are different components, including were you able to sketch the pathway of the molecule. Different points are awarded for how detailed you were within there. The process of the transport and the clarity of which I can render your particular molecule as it moves through different atmospheres. You're uploading once again through PDF. It is due by Sunday at midnight. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me so that I can help you out. Please do not wait until Sunday to do this because it will take you a while to do a bit of research, label, sketch, and upload. I hope you all have a good week.